So tonight's dinner we're going to try this out. Indo-Chinese stir fry. So you get 3 ingredients in there. I don't know, I've never done it before. Let's just try it. What?
You want that one or a small one?
No, that's fine. That knife's fine. It's rain. So it comes with the step instructions. So we heat, and you get these lovely little containers. So let's give it a whirl. So this is our kitchen setup. She thought this woman was a cook here, but she's got no rice on board. Have you got pasta on board?
You said to me
you've got no pasta on board. Bloody hell. She's got nothing. She's got the oil selection. So let's see if she's got the proper balsamic vinegar. What we got here? Olive oil. Is that the only normal oil you got?
It's olive oil. What do you want?
Chili, olive oil.
That's it. Hand sanitizer. What the fuck do you want?
Okay, right. We'll use the olive oil. Yeah, I'm just going to fry the chicken at the moment until it is brown. So Val's opening her dietary supply of noodles.
Don't blame me. This is Moony's noodles.
Yeah, look at all that. Aren't you excited? Yeah, that's 2 packets for you, 2 packets for me a day. The Indo-Chinese herb mix. Smells like it's got curry powder in there. No, it's definitely curry powder. Add the soya and garlic paste. That's the chilies that was making me cough. Add that in. We add in the hacker, whatever that is.
Go for it. Use a little spoon.
Come on. Oh, is it out? Yeah. That's it. Stir it.
How do you stir that? It's like a solid lump of shit.
With 500 mils of water.
There's more than that in there, so don't do
okay.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
That'll do, isn't it? That's 500 mils.
No, that's nowhere near 500 mils.
Huh?
500 mils for half a litre. You're about half pint. Don't do that.
This is turning out to be a bloody curry.
It's not.
Just had a little taster of it. I'm not keen, to be honest. It's got that funny kind of Marmite flavour. It's not good. It's salty.
Salty hotness.
Yes.
What you got
the
in
soy
your
sauce.
Have we got anything curry-wise we could lob?
Oh, we've got coriander.
No,
that might lift it.
What about lob some of the, what's in the curry pots?
I think the only thing that's going to lift that is a bit of teaspoon of sugar.
No, sugar just in it. It's
Now turning that into a curry by adding some spices, whatever we got. What you got there? Hang on, I'll tell you. Yeah, just add about a teaspoon of that curry powder in.
I'm trying to, but it's
Let me smell it. Let me just see if it's the right one.
Well,
it might be turmeric.
Got a different one. No, it smells a bit shit, that one. What about this one? Oh.
Yeah, add a bit of...
It smells really aniseedy. What's the aniseedy one?
Yeah, it's the curry powder that I made. Put it in.
You go with that one?
Yeah, just shove it in. Yeah, it's just going to improve it. Oh, that's turmeric. Oh no, yeah, carry on.
No, it's not. It's got other shit in it. That looks like.
Put a curry leaf in there as well. Go on. Let's just... okay, that's enough.
Oh, fuck it. Let's just put the pot in that.
Let's put some cardamom in.
No, let's go with that. That'll do. Otherwise, it ain't going to taste anything like it should have done.
Oh shit, we've got a cinnamon stick.
Diet.
Put fresh coriander in. This is what?
This is diet Sri Lankan curry, and it's diet because it tastes so fucking terrible. You don't want much.
We've made it. Started off with the Indo-Chinese flavour. It's totally Indian now. It is going to taste like shit. Now to give it a go. Didn't like the taste of the sauce that I was putting in to start with, so I'm not really looking forward to my first bite of this.
Told you we should have had noodles. It won't be that bad, will it, on there?
So salty.
It was, weren't it? That was salty all the way through. We didn't make
Is that soya sauce that they got in? Going, oh gosh, no, it's no good. To be fair, second bite round, I'm actually enjoying it. So is Val. There she goes, munching away.
Yum yum.
It is a bit like an Indian curry now. But that's because we put the spices in ourselves. Time's approaching. I think it's 8 o'clock. It's getting a bit cold now. So I've got my long fleece on, which I bought. It's not the right colour. But yeah, she's zipping up the awning so it gets a bit warm in here. I was just thinking that I'm getting warm in my little cocoon over here, and it's getting quite cold, and you've got to take it all off to put your night's clothes on. You thought of that?
What? Oh, you talking about what's that?
We've got to take all this off to put on pyjamas on.
I'll probably take my bra off.
I'm debating whether to take my bra off as well.
The bra off. No, this isn't nice to sleep in, is it?
I think I should get changed now. Before it gets too cold.
It's not made.
Yeah.
Bedtime.
Yeah.
Is that fucking drone again?
Yeah.
It's annoying, isn't it?
Setting up our bedding. Val's actually going to sleep in the awning
I don't know why.
with me. And I hope it
My
really...
lesbian affair.
So yeah, we're just going to set it up. My bedding all rolled up, so just unroll it and here presto. That's my bed done. I'm going to sleep on the sleeping bag. Val's making hers up with the seating from Tillie. Look at that. She's got like a super king size bed to herself. And there's poor little me. Ah! This is our setup in the awning. Daddy bear. Mummy bear. No, Daddy bear.
See, we glamped
Baby
it.
bear.
We glamped it.
Okay, we've got solar lights over there as well. It's a proper setup. She's made herself comfortable already. She's still got to get out of there and go and brush her teeth and do a toilet. Oh, we're definitely cozy now. With the lights on. By what's in our little multicoloured quilts. Woohoo!
The video went off as well. That's come with our groceries.
We just lying in because we can order from Amazon and get it delivered at the next campsite. I'm saying to Val, come on, let's order a single duvet cover. We've already got waterproof phone cases coming. What else do we need?
You wanted a chair.
A
as
chair.
Well. Your chair's naff. Yeah, your chair's definitely naff.
Should we order a chair then? Get it delivered.
Look at a campsite with a load of fucking Amazon parcels.
Might as well, eh?